Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn the tenor part for the piece Waka Waka. As I mentioned in the previous videos, the tenor adds color to the piece. So as you're going to see, the tenor part is going to be playing broken chords and quite a number of improvisations going on. Now for the tenor part for the piece Waka Waka, the rhythm for the tenor goes like this. Now, this is going to start up from C and C, and then G and G, followed by A and A, and then the last one, F and A. C and C, G and G, A and A, So basically that's the basic part, but obviously you've got a lot of other notes to play on your tenor that you can add in. So I'm going to throw in just one little variation. So you got C and C, G and G, A and A, F and A, so that variation there comes in as you are playing F and A. So you go, and then F, E, D, C, and then you start again. So F, E, D, C, and then you start again from the beginning. G, A, F and A, C and C, G and G, A and A, listen to the count. 1, 2, F, E, D, C. So you go 1, 2, F, E, D, C. Right, next variation for the tenor part. This is a little variation that you're going to throw in with your right hand. So you're going to go, instead of going, you're going to add this. Did you hear that? You do that on all the notes. A, right, so now you've got those three variations. I'm going to quickly go through them. Second variation. Third variation. Right, so you can decide where to play those variations. The ending for Waka Waka is the same, like the piccolo part and the soprano part. So on the tenor part, you're going to also start from C and C, and this is your rhythm. You go, and then G and G, A and A, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 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 G, G, C, 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 G, 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 A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, F, F, G, G, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 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 G, and then end on C. So that is the tenor part for Waka Waka. I hope you enjoy learning the piece. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.